Hi everyone, this is Dr. Creative and welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial, and today we are going to create this.
The storms we chase are leading us.
But before we start, please consider subscribe to my channel to support me. Your support inspire me to make more awesome tutorials. Now without wasting any time, let's begin our work. Open After Effects and name it to lower third. I am using 1920 by 1080px screen size with 30 frame rate. Now click OK. Set screen position to fit up to 100%, where you can see all screen properly. Perfect. Now create new solid with white background and name it BG as background. Now search for gradient ramp, apply it to BG layer and follow this changes. Select radial ramp and align it to center. Then swap colors and make black color to something like this. Now create new comp and make this change. Perfect. Now select rectangle and make it this way. Change its roundness to 100%. Now create one more rectangle and make these changes to it. Perfect. We don't want stroke on this layer, but we want background color in it. Select stroke to none and fill it with color picker. Perfect. Now adjust its position as shown. Now let's add text for both this layer. Select text tool by hitting T on the keyboard and type like this. You can choose your own color and text as you want. I am just showing you the way. Now select first two layers and make them pre-compose. And make sure you select Move All Attributes into the new composition. Name it Follow Text. Do it same with other two layers. Name it Page Text. Perfect. Now in order to animate them, follow these steps. Go to 1 second forward and select both layer. Hit P to bring down position property and press this watch icon to make keyframes. Now come back to 0 second and change position by dragging like this. Now select both keyframes, right-click on it, select Keyframe Assistant and easy ease them. Do the same with both layers. Now select keyframes and open Graph Editor and change it to something like this. If you can't see curves in your graphs, then simply right-click anywhere on graph and select Edit Speed Graph. Perfect. Now we want to create social media icon with circle. To do that, create new comp and name it social media icon, with 260 by 260 screen size, and click OK. Select ellipse from here and draw it like this. Use a line tool to place it in the center. Perfect. Now fill it with this background color and stroke it white with 6px stroke size. Now import social media icon like this way. I have already imported this icon. Let's add it into our comp and position it by pressing P to bring down position property and change its value to like this. Go to Effects and Preset panel and search for Fill Effect. Apply it to the icon we just resized and do the changes like this. Perfect. Now let's animate this social media icon comp. Go 1 second forward and select both layers and press P to open position property and make keyframes by hitting watch icon. Now come back to 0 second and make position change to like this. Now select both keyframes, right-click on it, select Keyframe Assistant and easy ease them. Do the same with other layer. Now drag icon layer to something like this. Let's do one trick here. We want to hide social media icon's appearance before coming to circle. Follow these steps to make it happen. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate this layer and place it above the icon layer. Select icons track matte to alpha. If you can't see track matte, don't worry, click here to toggle it. your animation will look something like this. Here place both comp at one comp and you will see this result. Let's align our social media like this. Press S to open scale property. Scale it up to like this. Now go to Effects and Preset and search for Drop Shadow, apply it to icon layer and make this changes. Our text is hiding by this icon layer, so to fix this let's do this changes. Congratulations, you have earned new assets to your After Effects skill set. Thanks for watching this tutorial and I'll see you in next tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel to support me to make more creatives. I am planning more to deliver but I need your support. Thanks for watching, take care.